Hi everybody, it's Jenny from Thinkific, and in this episode of the online course series, we're talking about building a unique value proposition that'll help your course stand out from the pack. Stay tuned. Welcome back to our channel and our online course series where we help you launch your online empire. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell button below and subscribe for all the best content on how to launch an online course. Now let's say you finally finished building your course and launched a brilliant marketing strategy to attract a ton of traffic to your course homepage. But regardless of whatever strategy you use to get people to your page, what matters is what they do once they get there. Your sales page has but one goal, and that is to persuade your readers to sign up for your course, even if it's free. And all of that comes from one single sentence: your sales pitch or your unique value proposition. You need it when you build your sales page and every other step of the way. That unique value proposition will keep you on track with every step of your marketing. Let's look at the three components that make up your unique value proposition. Number one, who is your course for? Who is your target market, and who are the people who will be most interested in taking your course? Don't worry so much about surface level demographic information like age, profession, location, etc. That kind of information is useful, but it doesn't tell you why somebody will take your course. Remember when we talked about problem and solution? You need to know what your target market is struggling with. What challenges are they trying to overcome? Understanding what motivates your target audience is more important than knowing their demographic information. No one buys a course, they buy a solution to their problem. Number two, what does it help them do? Secondly, identify the unique way your course offers your student a solution. How will you help them get to where they want to be, or what skill will you teach them to do? What is the specific result they'll achieve by implementing what they learn on your course? The more accurately you can describe your students' problem in terms they can relate to, the more instinctively they'll feel that you have the solution to their problem. Number three, why is it beneficial? Lastly, identify the reasons why your student wants to achieve the results your course offers. What benefit will they get from your course? Will it help them advance their career? Will it improve their relationship with their spouse? You need to be able to communicate the broader advantage of what it is you're trying to teach. Now, let's tie all of those things together into a single sentence using this framework. My course helps learn how to, so they can. Let's try some out. My course helps couples learn how to communicate more effectively so they can enjoy a more happy and fulfilling relationship. My course helps wedding photographers improve their portfolio work so they can attract clients outside of their own city. Now that you have your sales copy in hand, write it down on a post-it, stick it on the wall. You need it when you build your sales page and every other step of the way. Later in the series, we'll be covering a step-by-step approach to creating a sales page on the Thinkific platform using examples from our successful course creators. So we're curious, have you worked out your unique value proposition? Drop us a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for all the great content about how to build an online course. See you next time.